Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to allow everyone to send media in a Telegram web group on your PC. Follow these steps to customize your group settings. Start by opening web.telegram.org in your web browser and logging into your Telegram account. Once logged in, navigate to the web group you wish to manage media sending permissions for. Click on the group name to access the group settings and options. Within the group settings, locate and click on Edit. Then select Permissions from the menu. In the Permissions section, find the option to Enable Send Media and activate this setting to allow all group members to share media files. By enabling the Send Media permission, all members can now freely send photos, videos, and other media within the group, enhancing communication and interaction. Remember to save your changes by clicking on the Save or Update button to apply the new media sending permissions effectively. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled everyone to send media in the Telegram web group on your PC. Encourage members to share multimedia content to enrich the group experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope these steps have been helpful in managing media sharing permissions within your Telegram web group. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your group communication.